So my nails were looking a little busted, so I decided to bring them down a little bit, bring down the thickness, and plus I was actually testing out a different gel. So and I wanted to remove that, and yes, it's not a soak off, so I decided to drill it down and pry off what I could and prep the nail and get ready to reapply my plasma gel. There you go, we're all good to go. Wipe it off and get ready. And that's it. And get all that good from underneath there. Probably been cooking with turmeric, you see all that. Anyway, fill up your pottle because it's a refillable gel system, which is great. And you're good to go. Now you have your builder in a pottle. And now it's time to just lay on your first layer as the base. Just like nail polish, get as close to the cuticle as humanly possible without going over it, going underneath it. And that's it. And then go ahead and add your first layer. So I was just like, I don't think anyone can see, so I have to get a little closer. So I hope this is better for you. All right, so, and you put on that first layer, then you cook it for 30 seconds, and you just go, you see how that tacky layer is still there. Add another coat. And then, yeah, that's it. It's really easy, you guys. And I really didn't want my nails to be thick this time. So I kind of just wanted that super, super natural look. And then we're going to cook that for 30 seconds as well. I'm going to wipe off that tacky layer. And then sometimes you get that little bulb at the very end. You know what I'm talking about. Hold on. Can you see it? Well, you probably can't see it now, but yeah, just that little bulb that creates at the very end of the nail sometimes, just before the free edge. And I like my nails to be smooth. So, and I always stick my little, I still have file kits. Well, enough for me anyway. Sorry. That means I stick my, I stick my buffer to the very back of my file. But anyway, we are ready to paint. I love my nude knickers. Hey, too cute. It's just like, to me, the perfect color by C&D. And that's, see, it's just a perfectly flat nail. We put on only 2 coats. But remember, you're going to add different coats as well. So that's why I don't think you need so many coats of hard gel. Just put on 2 coats. And then 2 coats of color if you like. Yeah, look at that. Banging. And I'm going to finish off. This is my second coat. I wanted a little bit more coverage. Hey, what do you think? What do you think? Ooh, look at that. I love nails. Anyway, the paper's dirty. Sorry. So, and that's it. Then you add your luster top coat. Nice and slow. Come on, Nettie, get it together. Come on, girl. We ain't got time for this. All right, so, and then when you're done with that, cook that for 30 seconds as well. Don't forget your cuticle oil. This is something I make for myself. I don't really like using the cuticle oil with the brush because, you know, it picks up so much debris. So I like to drop it. Drop it like it's hot. On the cuticle, I love the droppers. So that's my thing. And no, I don't carry them. Not yet. But what do you think? And I'm finished with my, you know, my little revamp. Look at that. I just wanted them to be thinner. And, of course, I took them down in length as well. And, yeah, I hope you like it. This is my new look. Well, of course, I only have this one hand done. So I guess I'll try to get a match going pretty soon. But let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you have any questions, I'll definitely help you out. I've been doing that since I was 12 years old. No sense in stopping now, yo. But yeah, this is just my look, yo. This is just, you know, it's not long. It's not short. It's not full of bling. It's just nitty. Thanks for watching.